Hello, we're here at CEVA to see how they can power my Smart Edge application. Let's see if they're in.
Come in.
Good morning, is this CEVA?
It is.
I'm looking to power my Smart Edge. Can you help me?
Of course. Please come in.
Show me what you've got.
Welcome to the CEVA booth at CES 2025. We are powering the Smart Edge. Our customers are shipping silicon at the rate of 60 devices every second. All the devices that you see over here, they are all powered by some CEVA technology. Whether this is connectivity, cellular connectivity, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, UWB, all the way to signal processing as in vision, audio, motion sensing, and Edge AI, which we specialize in, cameras, voice-activated remote devices. We've just won the best IP processor of the world for 2024 for our TinyML, embedded ML NPU. And these are all the devices that we all use every day, powered by CEVA technologies.
Okay, Franz, tell us about what you've got with wireless connectivity here.
Okay, so we are measuring distance with ultra-wideband, but in a much more accurate manner. So this is a phone, Samsung phone. Samsung phone. And we are connected to this device here, which is a chip from one of our customers, ultra-wideband chip, so which is connected to the screen. And when you are far, so imagine this is a laptop. So you are far, the laptop is locked, as you can see on the screen. When I move closer, it starts to unlock the screen.
Right.
And when I get even closer, it's unlock the application you are
So from a security point of view, you're doing some work on a laptop, something catches your attention, you walk away, you forget to shut down the screen, but your phone tells your laptop to shut down and be secure.
Exactly, so that's the point.
Okay, very good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellent. Okay, we're joined here by Moshi, who's going to tell us all about how CEVA solve vision and AI with their application.
Indeed, so we have two demonstrations here, one for our vision and AI DSP, and the other one is for our generative AI NPU, as in neural processing unit. As you can see perhaps on this screen, what we have here is a silicon powered by CEVA for surveillance systems. This is using our SensePro AI Vision DSP. And what it's doing here is stitching of 4 cameras. So no matter where I am, this got a very wide angle. What's called surround view in some cases, like automotive.
So it's seamless between this camera is seeing that, but it's on the screen, it's the same thing, but it's the 4 cameras doing the same job. You can see the difference.
Right, and our DSP is doing the stitching, and it is also doing the person detection over there, those bounding boxes that we see. Think about pedestrian detection in automotive, surveillance. And
so as I move around, it's remembering who I am, and as the input comes in from the cameras, it's recognizing it and stitching it together.
That's true.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harry.
Okay, next one. Now we're joined by Ilya, who's going to tell us all about embedded ML.
We're demonstrating here the smallest member of the NeuPro family, and this is the NeuPro Nano that was released earlier in 2024, which basically is designed for MCU type applications and low power. I think the real innovation is this is a single core that contains the DSP control and MPU capabilities, and is able to execute those small or tiny ML use cases very efficiently. So this is the NeuPro Nano running here on the FPGA and executing a complete end-to-end application of face detection using a publicly available human presence detection network. If I actually close it.
So that's recognizing from there and automatically taking an action from here.
Yes, absolutely. And this is the same, again, the NeuPro Nano executing a full application without an additional controller, but it can also work aside the controller if needed.
Excellent. Well, thank you for that introduction to your embedded ML solution. We're now joined by Seth, who's going to tell us about spatial audio. Seth, over to you.
Yeah, so we've talked before about the benefits of spatial audio, the greater immersion, the greater realism, and less fatigue. And so we're showing that off in several different ways today. We're going to start with the Boat Nirvana Ivy experience. This is their latest TWS with content that they've developed to really show off the spatial audio with head tracking. So what we're getting here is both the spatial rendering and the head tracking, which is pretty rare in this industry to get that full experience, that integrated solution from a single provider. We've also got the Nirvana Utopia headset, and this also has the spatial audio and head tracking running directly on the device, which means you can spatialize any content at all coming in from mono and stereo on up.
Excellent. Seth, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, Seth, tell us about CEVA's sensor fusion?
So CEVA's been in the sensor fusion business for almost over 20 years now, and we have incredible expertise that we bring to several different applications and solutions. The sort of canonical sensor fusion product for us is our motion engine for smart TV. So we take 3D motion of a remote control and turn that into stable and precise cursor motion on screen. So this is an LG WebOS TV. We've been in LG TVs for nearly 15 years, shipping with any WebOS product, including third-party products that use it, from TVs to monitors to projectors and so forth.
Very good, very good. Thank you very much, Seth. Great introduction.